Johan, what's the Tagalog of frog? Very good. What is the Tagalog of lizard? Lizard? Huh? What's the Tagalog of lizard? Oh, what's the Tagalog of dog? Dog.
Aso.
Cat.
Pusa.
Frog.
Frog.
Ano?
Frog.
Frog.
Koka.
Palaka. Palaka si palaka. What's the Tagalog of lizard? Butiki.
Tuki.
What's the Tagalog of hipon? What's the Tagalog of shrimp?
Sorry.
Hipon.
Ibon.
What is the Tagalog of shark? Pat. What's the Tagalog of shark? Pating.
Pating.
Very good.